Hi everyone, I'm Jacqueline and this is a video on my homework submission for CS50 Web class. In this project, I created 3 HTML pages that look like Google search pages. So this is the first of the 3 pages. This is the main search page. Notice in the URL bar that this actually links to a HTML file called index.html on my computer, and it's not the actual Google website. I tried to match the aesthetics to the Google's own search page as much as possible. So that includes like certain effects like hovering over the search bar as well as the buttons. Okay, let's take a look at how this works. I'm going to search for Harvard X. In this case, I'm going to click on search, and then it redirects me to the Google search results page. Okay. If I go back, and this time around, instead of doing the normal search, I'm going to click on I'm feeling lucky and see if this button works. And now we have this page called a redirect notice that trying to show us the most relevant results. So notice that we skip the results page and we go directly to the most relevant page, and that is in this case the EDX Harvard X web page. Okay, let's go back to the form. Next up, I want to do an image search. Okay, so on the top right hand corner, I'm going to go to the link of the image search. This time around, I'm going to search for kitties. Okay, I'm going to click on image search, and then I results all the images of kitty cats. Right, super duper cute. Okay, this image search works, and finally I'm going to go to the advanced search page, the third of the search pages that I created. So in this one, there are different fields, four different fields to fill in. I'm going to find pages with all these words. Let's search for Hollywood movie, right? And then if you want to have an exact word or phrase, maybe I want to search for Black Panther. Okay. I'm going to click on advanced search, and then now it will show me all the relevant pages, the Hollywood movie about Black Panther. Okay, if we scroll through, we have like the Time, Wikipedia, results, and IMDb, of course, right? Marvel, and so on and so forth. Okay, I'm going to go back. You know what? I want to try it with I want to exclude IMDb this time. I don't want IMDb to appear in my search results, so I'm going to type here. The pages should not contain any of these words, right? So this time around, we have a minus IMDb here, and if we scroll through the results, sure enough, no more IMDb in the results. Okay, very good. I'm going to clear this form this time, and now I want to search for a web page that has any of these words. Maybe this time we want to search maybe a cat or dog, right? And we do an advanced search. So web pages for dogs or cats, and we have some top stories of Biden's dog, dog Wikipedia, cat Wikipedia, and so on and so forth. So this very much sums up all the functionalities of the 3 web pages I created, search pages, right? So this assignment really shows us how we can create our very own web forms that will redirect us to the actual Google search results, right? And also, I'm sure most of you would have also noticed that how easily it can be to recreate a look and feel of popular web pages such as Google search. And so we really have to be very careful and check the URL bar to make sure we are visiting the website that we think we are visiting, because such phishing websites, they could actually steal your private information. So really do be very careful. Right, and thank you very much.